questions.
What are we doing? Hit!
Are they in there by any chance? Get him! Nice.
You two!
Achoo!
Let's come over your shoulders.
Ah, hit! Shot!
Where'd he gone? Dickhead.
One behind that power kick tower.
What, the little back in the corner? Guys, the far corner on the right! Yeah, that one! On your 6th.
Can't see a sausage.
Looks like it's staying up high.
I can't see anything.
Oh!
Come on, there's only like 2 or 3 down there holding it.
Ah, hit! Can anyone actually see anything? Let's see what happens to this lad. Oh, he got straight in.
Get in the wood, get in the wood. I want double wood.
There's a guy in that room over there. I can see him behind the barricade. Hey!
He was. That scared the shit out of him.
Into the barricade. Oh!
I can see you, Cole. Anthony, we're going through here, don't shoot us if we come back out. Nice. Yeah?
Look what I found.
Yeah, the Bob, we found it earlier.
That's cool.
Blues?
Blues? Blue. Yeah, blue. Blues. What would be blues with skins? It's yellows you're looking for.
Non-yellow. You knew as well. Pew 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 pew.
Push it! Push it real good! Push it! Push it real good!
Check this one here. Start here, Carl. Start down here and work his way up.
Because that's the darker area. Are you gonna go check up there and then meet us halfway? Yeah. Oh shit!
What? What? Hey!
Hey! Stop, Mike. Wait, a minute, you guys. What are you doing? Oh, it's
It's only here. Respawned!
Respawn. That was beautiful.